A gravity-only septic system for a tiny house can cut energy needs and long-term complexity when site conditions allow. Design the drain line with a consistent minimal slope between 1/4 inch and 3/4 of an inch per foot, and keep runs as straight and short as possible to avoid solids settling in low spots. Set invert depths so the house outlet sits above the tank inlet and the tank outlet sits above the leach field distribution inlet, accounting for the finished floor height and potential frost depth in your region. Use rigid sewer pipe with solvent-welded joints or gasketed thermoplastic fittings to ensure watertight connections and avoid trapped offsets that can create clogs. Protect exposed or shallow sections by installing insulation or extending the pipe below the frost line, and where buried depth is not possible, use gravel bedding and a 2-inch layer of rigid insulation above the pipe. Install risers on the septic tank and distribution box to grade for easy maintenance and inspect frequently during the first year of operation to confirm flow and distribution are functioning as planned. Coordinate the design with your local health department requirements and obtain any permits so the system spacing, setback distances, and percolation requirements match official codes. Common mistakes include running the drain too flat, which causes solids to collect and block the line, so redesign with a steeper, consistent slope and, if needed, shorten the run or add a pumped lift to avoid flat sections. Another problem is installing the system in a low-lying or seasonally saturated area, which can cause failure to accept effluent, so relocate the field to higher ground or raise the bed with imported sand and engineered fill. A third frequent issue is inadequate frost protection or shallow invert depths that freeze in winter. Remedy that by dropping the pipe below frost depth, using rigid insulation, or installing an appropriately sized shallow bed with frost-resistant design details. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who are actively working on projects like gravity-only septic systems and offers a place where contractors can find new work. We also host a discussion community where users share site-specific experience, design ideas, and practical tips so our members can learn from each other.